Life is full of decisions, and when it comes to the direction of your life, only you can make the calls. The problem is, when faced with big decisions, the world sometimes seems like a pretty risky place. We're not talking caves and rope bridges here. We're talking security, finances, and personal satisfaction. Focusing on possible losses is a common reaction to big decisions. Like our archaeologist here. He might not think twice before dashing abroad to discover lost treasures, but the idea of making a big change is causing him some serious concern. He knows that long-term success means stepping out of his comfort zone, but it's just so comfortable there. The thing is, avoiding risks can create some serious obstacles to achieving your long-term goals. The path of least resistance doesn't always lead you to where you want to be in life. Want to know how to approach risk positively to make the best decisions for your life? You're in the right place.